So this is one of my favorites. White is trying to win the game. Black is trying to make a draw just by promoting. We cannot let him promote. The only way for white to win the game is to get the king close enough to help the queen capture this pawn, because the queen alone will not be able to do it. And we do this by buying time. Whenever we can force black's king to go in front of the pawn, it buys time for the king to come closer. Of course, here black made it very easy for us, stepped in front of his own pawn. Next time, let's make it harder. You see black is not stepping in front of his own pawn. Well, then the trick is to get the queen close enough to the pawn so we limit black's options. And you notice here black has to go in front of the pawn. He cannot go out because then we would capture the pawn. That's the kind of position we want to set up. And now the king gets to come closer. Now we repeat the process. Again, black's pawn is not promoting because of the pin. So we get the angle the queen closer, inch it in, and black steps in front of the pawn, forced to get the king closer. Repeat the process. Notice the right series of checks. Get the king closer and closer until we can capture the pawn and deliver the checkmate.